Hi, Tracy says, Tracy McElfresh here. Not having any time to do any tips or blog posts. Lately, I have so many customers, so I'm so excited, and personal time has been working on my own personal projects and stuff. So, we have a few things going on. The Dayton Garment Designer Meetup group, our Facebook, we're on Facebook. We meet up quarterly and do fabric and pattern swaps. We have a make frosting competition, and if you don't know about that, it's not anything new. I didn't make it up, but it's where you make something frivolous. So it has already started, and then we're gonna meet in early December at a coffee shop in our make frosting garments. That being said, I've been ordering some frivolous fabric. So I ordered fabric from Hong Kong, which I haven't ordered anything from overseas since I accidentally ordered something from China in 2020 and it didn't come. So this is fabric from Hong Kong and I'm really excited about it. I had a dream about it. I had never seen it before. And I had a dream that there was some sewing competitions, kind of like the county fairs have sewing competitions. And I was taking pictures of my work and the lady said, hey, you won all the competitions. You know what you should really do? And then she said, you should make a dress out of McDonald's fabric. And I posted about the dream online, and somebody said, hey, they have it. And so I ordered some. It was cute. I wouldn't have ordered it if it wasn't cute. But so I went ahead and ordered some, and I have not seen it in person. I'm just opening it up. It was not cheap for cotton and Hong Kong, but yeah, it's pretty cute. It's like French fries and red and white checkerboard. Love it for the background, and I love the colors. So we'll get this in the wash and pre-wash it. I don't know if this is gonna be my make frosting. So I'm working on my 2024 goals. I've got a whole book collection somebody donated to me on how to design your own garments, how to make your own flat block or sloper. I've been watching videos every morning, and I just went ahead and bought one because I know I'm a standard size 12. I'm lucky I'm pretty much the fit. I have to change for a sway back, and I have a short torso, but since I've been doing patterns my whole sewing career, I guess since 2000 I started my first pattern. Before that I did upcycling because my mom wouldn't buy anything new, but I know the alterations that I need, so I just went ahead and bought one, and I was going to make my block from this because I've already got plenty of knowledge in this instead of making it from the ground up. I would like to learn, but I'm in a hurry. So I have been listening and watching The Closet Historian every morning. I love her. Her YouTube channel is great, and she shows how to make the blocks. She shows how to make the blocks from these patterns. She shows how to make the block from a regular pattern, and then she shows how to alter all kinds of things. So I watched how she did a flapper dress. I watched how she did domain or a kimono sleeve this morning. So it's been a lot of fun watching her change darts and change things, which I have draped before and made all kinds of garments, and I have a few slopers. A sloper is a flat pattern block. I have a few already for my swimwear that I use. I have one for pants that I use, and I have one for leggings, because leggings, if you're big up top and tiny at the bottom, you're gonna be all the sizes, and it's a pain in the butt to troubleshoot over and over and over again what size you are. So this is my next project, but first I gotta get through my block printing portfolio. I am going to learn to upload my artwork from making lino block prints for cards to sell, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is put them in a fabric line. They look really neat all together, so I've already learned how to photograph a little bit of my artwork and how to crop it and have the proper lighting. So it's every time you want to do something new, it's first you have to learn to block print, And then you're like, well, I want to do this. And then you have to learn to photograph your work. And then you have to learn to crop your work. And then you have to research, like, where do I get this done at? It's a lot, but it's been a lot of fun. And I learned something along the way. So that's it, the new fabric. Our group is also having a declutter challenge. If you're interested, every year we have it. This will be the 5th year that we've had a declutter challenge, and you just pull out something, set a timer for how long, clean it out, take a before after picture if you would like, and upload it for inspiration to inspire other people. And we got a whole lot of people on board this year that are very excited. Last year we had a lot of people doing it too. The first couple of years I felt like I was the only one doing it, so I'm so happy like people are participating. A lot of my stuff stayed neat and clean, although my large book collection, I really could go through and organize that. So I could organize my fabric collection. There's always something that you can like fix a little more. I got a bunch of stuff out in the garage, like 5 totes of buttons, fabric projects. So I'm sure I can find something to clean. But last year I went through all my interfacing. I organized all my zippers by size and kind and rubber banded them. And everything seemed to pretty much stay nice and neat. There are things that I bought, of course, that I never used that I could get rid of. So this has been plenty long enough. Thank you for watching. Again, the group, if you want to participate in some of our things, Dayton, as in Dayton, Ohio, Garment Designer Meetup. And we're mostly a local group, but you don't have to be local to join. You just have to be a real person and not a bot or somebody selling something. You have to be somebody that makes, inspires to sew. You don't have to be a master sewer or a garment sewer, but makes, inspires to sew. You can't be somebody just looking for people that sew to sew for you, because you're probably not going to find anybody in the group. We're just in there for fun. So thank you for watching. Tracy McElfresh, Dayton, Ohio. Bye.